Welcome back to another video. You can see I have actually added two buttons here. One is for update and one is for delete. So in this video I'm going to show you how admin can delete any data from the database. So this is the food table, so admin can actually able to delete the food items, right? So let's go and let's go to the code editor here. So guys, here you can see we have a column. So here I have added two anchor link, and one is for the update and another one is for the delete. So in this video I'm going to show you how admin can delete. So I'm going to give here a route. So let's give here a route, and the route name would be admin dot delete, delete, delete food. So this is the route name. Here you can see we have the delete button. So admin can actually accidentally press this button, right? So the item will be deleted. So what we want to do here is actually I want to give here a confirmation message. I mean, when admin will actually click on the delete button, here a confirmation message will become, pop up, and then if admin press OK, then it will be deleted. But if admin press cancel, then it will not be deleted. And here I'm going to actually give here on click, an on click option, and here I'll say return, I'll say confirm, and here I'm going to show a message, pop-up message. I will say, are you sure? And then it will actually go for somewhere else. So let's go and check if it is working. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, so the problem is actually I have created here a route, and I'm going to actually remove it for now. So let's remove it for now, because we actually want to check if it is working perfectly. So here you can see this is a pop-up message, are you sure? If I say cancel, it will actually not be deleted. If I press OK, it will be deleted. So let's go for it, and here I'm going to give a route, so admin delete. So now we'll actually go to the web route, so web.php, and here you can see web.php, and here we'll actually create a route, get route for it. So let's copy it and paste it here, and it will be delete food. And here I'm going to say admin.delete food, right? This is the admin.delete food. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go here and paste it here. So from the show blade, we have added two more button, right? Anchor tag. One is for the update, one is for the delete. So here you can see delete will actually go to the admin.delete food route. So here it will go for this route, and we have an admin controller, and here I'm going to create a function that will be delete fwd food. So everything is all right here, but the problem is actually which food we want to delete, right? We have to actually send here the food ID, because we need to know the food information, food unique value, that which food actually I want to delete. So I need to actually send here a unique ID, and that is ID. So I'm going to pass here an ID with the URL. So what I have to say, I have to actually give here a comma, and then I have to say dollar. So here you can see I am actually fetching here food, right? Here you can see. So I have to actually set dollar food. So I will say dollar food, and then the column name is ID. If I go here in the browser, here you can see ID. So basically we are passing the current ID, right? So let's go here in the URL, and here I'm going to add one more slash, and then I will add here an ID. Okay, that's it. And now let's go to the delete food. So we have to actually go for the admin controller, and here we will actually create a function for this. So public function, and the function name is delete food, and here we have passed an ID. So I will actually give here the ID as a parameter, and here we'll actually check. So I'm going to check that dollar food is equal to find or fail $ID. So this is the method, but for what? For the food. So I'm going to say here food. Okay, for the food, right? Yeah, food, for the food model. So now it will actually find the food ID, and find the food value through the food ID. So we'll actually delete the food information, and here I'm going to say $food delete method, and it will be deleted, and we'll actually, so it will be actually redirected back with the danger method, let's say now danger, and it will say deleted successfully. And I will go to the show food here. I mean add food. Here you can see add food. We have here success method, right? From the admin controller it will say added successfully success, and I'm going to actually copy this session here from here, and I'll go back to show food, and here at the top of the table I'm going to show it. I want to delete this, so here you can see it will actually ask me to delete it. I mean, are you sure? So if I cancel it, then you can see this is not deleted. If I click here delete and then click OK, then it should be deleted, and here you can see deleted successfully, and it should show here the message, right? So this is the success session, so I forgot to actually change it. Here you can see it will actually come with this name, right? Danger. So I'm going to actually give here danger, and then here danger also. Now it will work. It should work. Now let's go and add some food here. Here you can see, now let's say I want to delete this one. Okay, and here you can see deleted successfully. All right, if I delete it, you can see deleted successfully. So that's it. I hope you understand. This is how admin can delete post. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.